I'm Jordan Smith from Rapido Trains Inc. I'm standing out in the freezing cold and snow in front of the office here, but I have our newest FA-2 and FB-2 samples. We're going to go inside now and have a look at them. All right, it's freezing out there. I guess I need to find someone to do this video with me. Hey, you're the new guy, Robbie?
Yeah.
Come along with me. We got to film this FA-2 video.
Okay. Man, I've only been here for 20 minutes. These hosers have me to work already.
Nice. All right, so you take these four, I'll take these four, and let's get them unpacked. All right, now that we have those unpacked, let's have a look at the engines. Starting on the right here, we'll do a quick overview. We've got the CP Rail Action Red Multi-Mark FPA-2s and FPB-2s. We've got the freight version in multi-mark as well. That's with the small fuel tank. We'll get a look at that in a sec. Spokane, Portland, and Seattle, one of our most requested FA2s. My personal favorites, the Penn Central AB set. And Robbie, was it again?
Robbie, Bob, doesn't matter.
Okay. What are these other two units we got here?
We have the as-delivered New Haven FB2, the McGinnis painted FB2, and I noticed that we don't have any FB2s from New Haven, FA2s, I mean.
Yeah, they were a bit strange. New Haven bought a bunch of FA ones, but they never went for FA2s. They just bought the B units, so I'm not really sure why that is. But
they're all crazy up there.
Cool. Oh yeah, of course.
Hey, look at the time. I gotta go. I gotta catch a flight.
But you've only been here for 20 minutes.
I gotta go. I'm out.
Well, I guess I'm doing this whole video on my own then. This is a very popular paint scheme. I don't think we've ever done anything for this railroad or not, but this is the Spokane, Portland, and Seattle. They had an interesting fleet of Alcos. They had lots of FA2s, FA1s, B units as well. So this is the very cool broadband paint scheme from the 60s. These lasted into the 70s. Some of these actually very briefly went to the Burlington Northern and were sublettered, and we've done those versions as well. They had some really cool different detail. So right off the front, we've got the all the MU hoses and cabling, airlines. That really neat SP&S round herald that was mounted. That's actually a separate etched metal piece that's mounted right to the front door. You can really see the that separately applied door latch too, right on the front there. Very intricate little detail. Of course, lit number boards. You've got the grab irons as per prototype. There's the 3-chime horn. We've got the dynamic brakes on the roof here. Exhaust stack, the big fan. Of course, this is actually the earlier version, the more of the chicken wire style grill work, all etched metal again. Freight style fuel tank. One of the neat things that they also did, they mounted the re-railers on the side of the fuel tank just in case they were needed. I believe that was a unique SP&S detail. Of course, there's the end of the engine, diaphragm, all that pipe work, separate grabs, everything there. Very classic New Haven look. You can see all the cool detail again. There's the ends of the unit, all those pipes. Actually, let's turn this upside down for a second. You know, all that conduit and piping is underneath there. So all the brake lines, electrical lines, plumbing, whatnot. And of course, right on the side of the truck, you've got the brake chain. And all of the FA2s and FB2s include that feature. look quickly on the roof, and just in case we didn't look at it before, again, big fan. You can see it through the etched metal grate. And there's the later McGuinness painted version. Now actually, one thing that I didn't show, we've done both versions of the exhaust. So that's the early version. Later on, they modified them with the upgraded exhaust. One back here. You can really see this on the New Haven units. The truss work just behind those grills. We've included all that detail on the shell, on all the FAs and Bs.
Here's my personal favorites, the Penn Central AB sets. We've got the A unit here in the early PC logo with the red P. This is unit number 1350. Beautiful engine there, that elegant black that everyone loves so much.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And next we've got the B unit. This is in the later all-white PC logo. This is the 3393. Very cool.
Okay, these all are really cool road names, but the New York Central engines, I'm pretty sure I had them around here somewhere. Where did they go? Oh, no. Hey, Bill, you mind doing a review on the FAs and Bs from the New York Central?
Schneider. Okay then, Bill seems to be indisposed. I guess we won't be seeing the New York Central units today. Let's go watch the CP Rail units instead.
This is the CP Rail Action Red Multimark FPA-2. These were used in passenger service right until up until their retirement around 1974-75, and could be still seen pulling the Canadian right up until that date. Well, starting off on the nose here, you see those intricate, beautifully pad-printed 5-inch stripes right across the nose. We've got the distinctive Alco-style headlight bezel. All the grab irons are separately applied. We've got them on the nose, side of the nose, and on all of the FA-2s, these are prototype specific. So all the placements are correct for each railroad. Full cab interiors right here. We've got the side wind deflectors. There's the correct air horn, the Sinclair antenna. So on the roof, we've got dynamic brakes. This was a feature of all CP units, but on railroads that didn't have them, we've added that option as well, or removed it. The double winterization hatches right here on either side of that kind of famous Alco fan and MLW. And of course, if we look on the side of the car body, we've got etched metal radiator grills, and that's on both sides. We've got two versions as well. We've got the earlier style, and this is the FAR type grill work. Okay guys, that's a look at our new FA-2 and FB-2 models. So don't forget, these are arriving in stores very soon, so check your local dealer, or you can order it direct from rapidotrains.com. They'll be available almost any day now. So I guess to wrap this up, there's one last thing I have to do. Just hold on 1 second. I really need help with this FA-2 video.
Listen,
can you hang up on the phone there? Just, let's go.
I'll call you back. I'm sorry.
Yeah, great, let's go. Gotta get this FA-2 video done. Okay? Hey Dan, I really need your help with this video.
Okay.
Can you pack all of these FA-2s back in their boxes? I really need help cleaning up.
Okay, I'll clean them up. That's fine. Can you let me out, please? Dan? Dan?